I'd like to talk about the neighborhood I lived in when I was a child. It holds a special place in my heart, as it was the backdrop of my early memories and experiences. The neighborhood was situated in a suburb called Green Park. Green Park was a peaceful and serene neighborhood nestled amidst lush greenery. It was characterized by tree-lined streets, well-maintained parks, and neat rows of houses. The area had a close-knit community feel, with friendly neighbors. The neighborhood was primarily inhabited by families, comprising people from diverse backgrounds and professions, creating a vibrant mix of generations. Everyone had a strong sense of community and took pride in maintaining the cleanliness and safety. The streets were safe, allowing children to play freely outside and form lifelong friendships. The neighborhood had a warm and welcoming atmosphere, with residents often organizing community events and gatherings. I have fond memories of riding bicycles with my friends along the quiet streets, playing in the local park. The neighborhood also had convenient amenities like grocery stores, schools, and recreational facilities, making it a self-sufficient and comfortable place to live. Whether I'd like to live in this same neighborhood or not is a tough question for me to answer. As I have grown older, my preferences and priorities have changed, so I don't think I would choose to live there in the future. I am now drawn towards more urban settings with better career opportunities and modern amenities. However, I will always cherish the memories and values instilled in me during my time in that neighborhood.